A diet rich in protein is very essential because our bodies use protein to build and repair tissues and to make enzymes that are utilized in many processes in the body. Proteins are also essential as they are the building block for muscles, skin, blood, bones and cartilage. It is clear that our bodies would not survive for long without a good protein source. This has raised concerns over time that vegetarians risk not getting enough protein from their food because many people believe that only meats and dairy can provide you with the protein your body needs. This, however, is not true. There are certain plant-based foods that contain a significant amount of protein, and vegans can get a well-balanced diet by incorporating these foods into their daily diet. Let's look at some of these plant-based foods that are rich in protein. 1. Seitan. This is a common food among vegans and is commonly used as a meat substitute. This food is sometimes referred to as wheat meat or wheat protein. Seitan is primarily made out of hydrated gluten, which is the main protein found in the wheat plant. 100 grams 3.5 ounces of seitan contains 25 grams of protein. The recommended daily intake for protein is relative. 0.8 grams of protein per kilo of your body weight is considered ideal. Let's say you weigh 60 kilos or 132 pounds, your daily intake then should be 48 grams of protein in a day. Seitan is the richest source of plant-based protein. Seitan is readily available in the refrigerator section in the health food store, but you can also make your own at home. Would you like to know how to prepare and cook your own seitan? We have linked a short video in the description box below. 2. Tofu, tempeh and edamame. These are soy-based foods. Tofu is made by condensing soy milk, almost similar to the cheese-making process. Soybeans are considered complete proteins because they provide the body with all the amino acids it needs. Our bodies need amino acids as they are the building blocks for proteins and are involved in crucial body functions such as digestion, healing and repair of tissues, metabolism and growth and development. Edamame are immature soybeans that have to be boiled before consumption. Edamame is rich in folate, iron, vitamin K, fiber and protein. 1/2 a cup of tofu contains 10 grams of protein, 1/2 a cup of edamame beans contains 8.5 grams of protein and 1/2 a cup of tempeh contains 15 grams of protein. 3. Lentils. Lentils contain good amounts of protein, fiber, iron and potassium, which are all beneficial to our bodies and our health. Red and green lentils can be used in a number of dishes such as salads and soups. 1/2 a cup of cooked lentils contains 8.84 grams of protein. 4. Beans and chickpeas. A wide variety of beans contain high amounts of protein. Beans such as the garbanzo beans, commonly known as chickpeas, kidney beans, the black beans and pinto contain the highest amounts of protein. 1 cup of 240 milliliters of cooked beans and chickpeas contains 15 grams of protein. Beans are also a good source of fiber, iron, complex carbs, potassium, manganese, phosphates among other minerals beneficial to our health. According to studies, a diet rich in beans has been seen to decrease blood cholesterol, control blood sugar levels and even lower blood pressure. 5. Nuts. Nuts are a good snackable protein and contains essential healthy fats. Most of the fats contained in nuts are monounsaturated fats, omega-3 and omega-6 polyunsaturated fats, which are good for the heart's health. 1/2 a cup of peanuts contains 20.5 grams of protein. A tablespoon of peanut butter also contains 8 grams of protein and is a good addition to complete your sandwich. 6. Almonds. Almonds are edible seeds packed with rich mineral and nutritional benefits. These benefits range from lowering bad cholesterol, good for the skin, rich in vitamin E, magnesium, potassium, rich in antioxidants that prevent a vast number of diseases, and also proteins. 1/2 a cup of almonds contains 16.5 grams of protein. 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids the body needs. Quinoa grain contains high protein content of 8 grams per cup. Quinoa is often sprinkled on salads or even as a main meal. This grain is also rich in magnesium, iron, fiber and manganese. 8. Chia seeds. A tablespoon of chia seeds contains 2 grams of protein. Chia seeds are also a complete protein, providing many other nutritional benefits. They are loaded with antioxidants, high in fiber, high in omega-3 fatty acids. 9. Hemp seeds. These are quite similar to the chia seeds. Hemp seeds are the seeds from the cannabis sativa plant. Hemp seeds are a complete protein, and just a tablespoon of hemp seeds contains 5 grams of protein. There have been concerns over hemp seeds being contaminated with THC during harvesting or storing, and this could give you a high. If this is not your cup of tea, make sure you purchase your hemp seeds from trusted sources that test their seeds for THC. Hemp seeds also contain essential fatty acids such as omega-6 and omega-3, which are good for heart health and brain health. 10. Mycoprotein. This is a fungus-based protein used as a meat substitute under the name corn. Sometimes, corn is made by mixing up milk or eggs before being shaped into strips and patties. As a result, not all corn is vegan, and this is something to consider before making a purchase. 1/2 cup of mycoprotein contains 13 grams of protein. Caution should also be taken by people with allergic reactions to mushrooms, as this fungus-based protein has been seen to cause allergic reaction in some people. To meet the recommended daily amounts of protein intake, you should incorporate a number of the foods in this video to your diet. A protein deficiency can lead to brittle hair and nails, loss of muscle mass, increased risk of bone fractures due to brittle bones, risk of infections and susceptibility to disease, skin conditions and other health complications. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get notified each time we upload a new video.